Try mo, Ben. Try that. Wow! Ayan, binawasan ko ng dahon yung ilalim ng ampalaya. Ito yung nakita ko, oh. Meron na palang isang bunga. Tapos lumaki na siya nang tinanggalan ko ng dahon. Maliit lang yun. Nung kahapon lang yun. So, hindi ko na, bigla. Guys, thank you. Super effective. Kasi nung tinanggalan ko ng dahon, yung ilalim lang. May naputol pa nga ako diyang sanga eh. Tingnan nyo, lumaki agad to. Lumaki agad. May isa agad na bunga. Ayan. Tapos tingnan ko tong kabila. Tinanggal ko rin to eh. Tinanggalan din. Okay. Okay. Wala. Magdidilig tayo mamaya kasi hindi umulan. Ito naman tinanggalan ko rin to ng ibabang dahon. Tingnan natin. Ayun, may bulaklak pero wala pang yung bunga talaga na bubunga. Ano na to? Ayan na. Ang wig. Titan natin kung anong kulay ng mais. Pula. Parang wig. Marami siya sa loob. Mamaya na lang yung mga bata. Gusto ko sila yung mag-harvest. Okay, maya natin harvest. Naku, pag iniwan nyo yan dyan Okay, di ba tinanggalan natin to ng top? Kasi nga sabi, may nabasa ako, tsaka sabi nyo rin, aba. So, okay pa rin. Andun pa rin yung bunga niya. Parang di ko pa nakikita yung pagbabago. Pero, okay, yung ating, malaki rin naman, nalaki rin ang ating mais. Meron akong tinanim dito guys, hindi sumibol, hindi ko alam. Baka naman wala akong tinanim doon. Maganda sana kung meron dito. Kaya ang ginawa ko, nagpasunod ako dito. Yan, pinasundan. Kaya malaki na yun. Ito maliit pa. Kasi napansin ko, sabi ko, ba't yun lang yung tumubo? Wala dito. Sa gitna parang kulang. So, ang ginawa ko, tanim ako. Late na yan. Late na. Ito rin, yung pinasunod ko. Yan lang yung mais natin. Okay. Aba, may blueberries na. Ito yung blueberry. Binibigyan ako ng mga bata tuwing makakakita. For some reason, di kinakain ng mga ibon at tawag dito ang ating mga bunga. Ang nakinain? Bukas yan. Alright guys, so ngayon naglinis-linis ako ng bahay. Anis ko ng kusina. Ito bang mga kasi syempre may bisita kasi tayong darating. Hindi naman dahil lang kaya tayo may bisita. Kaya lang mas nalilinis ng ayos. Maganda rin yung may mga bisitang dumarating. Darating yung kapatid ng asawa ko. Kapatid niyang babae. Amusement. May pupunta kami bukas amusement park. Dadahin yung mga bata. And kasama ko kapatid na asawa ko. So naglinis-linis tayo. Si Dada nagbe-prepare ng tiny house. Doon siya matutulog ngayon. Para bukas. Medyo malayo-layo rin kasi yung bahay. Mga 1 hour. Malayo na ba yun guys? 1 hour. So para iiwanan niya dito yung sasakyan niya. Tapos kami sama-sama kaming tutulak papunta doon sa amusement park. Hindi ko alam kung anong oras. Hindi ko alam kung matutuloy ba. Basta umuo siya eh. Saka yung inimbitahan din ang asawa ko yung isang kapatid. Hindi ko alam kung tutuloy sila. Okay guys, so see you later. Sa mga naghahanap kay Kali, okay lang po si Kali. Tulog lang siya ng tulog. Kaya paborito niya talaga tong bed na to. Paborito niya yung bed. Yung cat scratcher. Uy, ito nakanta yung ibon. Aba. Naimek. Ako naman. Kakantahan kami ng ibon. The bird is singing. Wala na. Hindi niya gusto ang boses ko. Tingnan niyo guys, ang cute ng ibong maliit. Tingnan niyo. Ayan, oh. Kasi dun si Manong may bird feeder. Ayan, oh. Dilaw. Ano kaya yun? Hindi naman hummingbird kasi medyo malaki to kaysa sa... Ayan, oh. Kasi Manong meron siyang tubig and meron siya... Ayun, bird feeder. Ano kayang klaseng ibon? Iwan ko yung mag-harvest ako ng blackberries. Naiwan ko yung dito nilagyan ko. Teka lang. Alright, ito na yung nalagyan ko. Aba si Beb. Oh, Beb. Ito na naman kay Man. Okay. Nandun kanina si Daddy at si Ben. Saan ka nagpunta? Ah, sige. Pwede mo na. Okay. Yan. Oh, tell Benjamin that one is big.
It's a marble.
Ito, this one is better. Twist it. Be careful with the okra plant because carefully, baby, huh?
Which is
More.
genuine?
Twist it until it's. Keep on twisting it.
Mama, which is the genuine orange okra?
I think. There you go. I think that one over there. Maybe this one too.
Oh. I want to cut it in half.
For Ben? No, Ben has one more. The green, oh. That's yours. Paborito guys nila yung kanakain lang nila yun ng hilaw. For Ben?
For Ben.
Ah, okay. Yung kahoy yung pinangkal. You can just do this. Pick. Ah, nakuha. Meron ditong hinog na kamatis. Baka na-pick up na ni Daddy. Okay, that's good. Kasi malalaglag lang. Ay, meron pa dong kamatis na. Ano. Okay. Dito sa ilalim. Kuya, nag-harvest kayo ng blackberries? Ha? Yan. Ooh, this one is ripe. That's good.
There might be some blackberries under.
Hi Ben, there's a green okra.
I'm gonna fly an airplane.
Okay.
It has wheels. Look.
Oh wow. Ben, do you want an okra there? There's a green one.
No, I want to let that get bigger.
Okay. Did you eat the okra Kuya gave you?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this one, oh, super ripe, this one. That's good. Ah, this one too is ready. Super soft.
Be careful, Ben.
The bird went. Oh, wow. Yung mga bata ko, ano yung ginagawa ng ama nila yun. Sarap kaya? Ito pa. The big one. That's the sweet one.
Oh, the big one.
That's okay. That's sweet. That's sweet. That's sweet. Try it. That's sweet because it's ripe. Try. Is it sweet? Yes. When it's ripe like that, like almost
It's
falling.
overripe.
It's over.
It tastes like wine.
Really? Half sweet, half sour. Oh, some outside. Hala! Umano na to. Lumabas na. Oop. They don't like it then. Si
I
Benjamin.
flew too
You flew it too earlier?
and didn't crash.
How good.
It's on airplane.
Ah,
It's yellow.
it didn't crash? Ah, and you already ride your bikes?
Yeah. He didn't ride his motorbike too.
He didn't? Okay. That's okay. Angat, angat. Yan. Yan. Ito. Ashim. Isang maasim, isang matamis. Yeah, I wanna watch you.
I think that's on Amazon.
But you didn't put it yet. Oh no, don't move. Okay. Oh!
You hit it.
Nako, sumabit yung aeroplano. Wow!
Daddy, do it.
Now, hold on, let Kuya do it. Wow, good job! Wow, that's nice. May pine tree si Ben na nakita, gusto daw niya. It's prickly eh. Wow, it's deep-rooted. Tatanim daw ni Ben. Pine tree daw yun, sabi ni Ben. Ewan ko lang. Ben said it's a pine tree. Yay! Is it a pine tree? Aba si Beba.
Daddy, could you plant it? Wow, what's that one?
Okay.
Wow, it's a baby and it's starting to. I don't know what's getting done.
It's getting dark. You just saw a pine tree?
Mama, let's go plant it.
This is...
Yeah, that is. That's the one you touched yesterday and made this seed.
is that the...
Yeah, that's the one.
Okay, so where are we gonna plant it?
Plant the poison ivy.
Plant the poison ivy. Here in the corner.
Why?
Right here. Okay, go.
And
Stick
don't
it.
forget to water it.
Yes, sir. Ikaw, diligan mo. I hope it's ha. So lang, lagyan mo ng tubig. Lagyan tubig.
Because I wet the roots already.
No, it's not enough. Sige, kung kailangan tubig. Ito yung ating rose bush. Ayan. Ayan, may beetles. Yan yung nangangain ng grapes. Kaya tingnan, paborito niya to. Itong rose bush. Paborito nilang kainin yan. Ewan ko, siguro matamis. Tapos ito naman, di ko guys alam kung ano to. Nandito na to, lumaki na. Wow, ang cute nito. Hindi ko napapansin to guys. Dati maliit lang yan. Parang ano kaya to? Parang hindi ko alam kung bakit. Diyan yan. Hindi ko alam kung ano. Tapos ngayon namulaklak na siya. Last year, siguro namulaklak ng konti. Pero ngayon, mas malaki yung bulaklak niya. Ayun, ganda. Ayun pala ang pinakabulaklak niya. Ayun, nakaganon. Maganda. Ayun. Tapos ito, buto. Pag pumutok siya, ganyan. Ay, ang galing. Para siyang bulak na pink. Pula. Ganda. Echinacea to. Sabi ng asawa ko. Kasi dati nabili pa siya ng echinacea. Tsaa. Tapos ito, seeds yan. Puro seeds yan pag natuyo. Pwede mong harvestin at iyong itanim. Mabilis lang siyang tumubo. So, ang ginagawa namin, pag namatay na siya, ba, tapos na ang season niya. Maano lang siya. Babalik lang siya. Dahil yung mga seeds na mahukulog doon sa loob. Or siguro, ano to. Itong mga sanga matutulog lang. Tapos, babalik siya ulit. Ganda. Marami din yan si Mr. Kit. Napakadami. Ba si Bebo nangangapit bahay? Abo, si Bebo.
Where is her home?
Yeah.
You can go anywhere.
Yeah. Well,
Get away
that's
with
true. Yeah, everywhere she
Oh,
goes.
she looks good on me.
Yeah, oh my goodness.
Like a model.
Model. Sino to? Sige, gulong. 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 Roll. Gulong. Roll. Sino to? May tao dito. I don't know. Hindi ko alam. Parang may pusa.
Oh! I got out.
I was supposed to cut that for your show.
For mine?
Nice and perfect.
Well, I'll help you later. Go ahead. I'll help you.
I ran out of water.
This is the
Oh.
conditioner water.
Aba, nakapagdilig na nga naman. Ito, oh. Ito, Ben. Yan, this is cute. Ito, Ben. Naku, look, the water is Yeah, mag-ano na tayo. Where's your watering can? Ito. Just don't forget. Naka-harvest na rin naman ng okra eh. Mayroon pa dun. Ayun po. Naku. Sabi ni Ben, ready na daw to. Kinakain na ng... So, tikman natin. Kasi kinakain na siya ng guyam. Ibig sabihin. Guyam guys is langgam. So, tingnan. Ayun nga oh. Ayan na oh. So, I think ready na siya. Tikman natin yung grapes. Kapag ready na siya, kunin na natin. Kasi mauubos lang. Only this one. The grapes are ready. The ants are eating it. Yeah, green grapes, but it's super sweet. Try mo, Ben. Try that. Wow, and it's ibang variety.
How about the one down there?
Okay, we'll see. Try mo nga. Try mo yung isa doon kasi kakainin lang yan. Yeah? Call Kuya. Oh my god. Is it sweet? Oh my goodness. May grapes na tayo. Wow. There, baby. There.
Daddy.
Wow.
How about the other?
The other one.
It's supposed to turn blue,
No, this is
purple or
green.
something.
And this is seedless. So apparently, Bebe, it's the bird planted it because this is seeds with seeds. I think that's all that we have. Aray! Noko! Nawasak. I get so excited. Wow! Lift it up. Wow! Okay, let's eat it. Call Kuya.
Kuya!
Here, give some to Daddy.
We got
Right here, Dito. Here on the table. It's super sweet. Huh?
Yeah.
Super sweet. Call Kuya. Can you call Kuya, Ben? Oh my goodness. It's super sweet. Wow.
The peel is sour, just like any grape.
Really? I don't... So that's a different variety. It's not the one that we cut. Because the one we cut is with seeds. Kuya? Hindi ko alam na hinog na pala kasi green to eh. Daddy, come here.
Kuya, look.
Yay! Our grapes.
Yeah, I agree.
They're green grapes.
Wow, it's sweet, huh?
And seedless.
Seedless. Let's take it.
I like
There you
that grape.
Yeah.
I don't want to kill.
I was calling you.
Good
Tamis.
seedless.
Yeah. The ants start eating the bottom. No, it's okay. I mean, we got to share with the ants.
Could we go in the house to eat?
We can eat it here. It's not much. Better than the grocery store, huh?
I don't want to kill the grape.
This one is
I want
seedless.
to keep it.
Yeah. You will keep it.
I watered it.
Yeah, that's why I saw it. Benjamin was watering it.
Green.
It's super sweet. Super sweet. Oh, it can be. No fertilizer. Nothing. Yeah, so I guess it is variety. That's really nice. Wow. Better than the grocery store, definitely. Wala nang hugas-hugas. Yan na lang.
Wow. Already.
Wow, you're full already. Yan na lang. Wow. There's bees. Oh. Itong next natin, kuya, oh. Look, raspberries. Buti nakita ko kinakain ng guyam or langgam. Kasi pagka sabihin, ready na. Twist it, baby. Wow. Yummy. Maybe.
You could eat the rest.
Can I
Why? Take one more bite and I'll take the rest.
these? Can
Thank
I pull
you.
these? It's dry.
Yeah, I mean, you can cut it up to here.
Mhm.